Welcome to this video, guys. In this video I'll show you the top 3 alternatives to Internet Download Manager, and all those 3 are completely free, unlike Internet Download Manager. So let's get started. So I'll start in the order from 3 to 1, and in the last one I'll show you the one that I'm currently using, and it is the best. So let's get started. First, there's Download Manager. Now this is very lightweight, so if you are on a system that has low RAM and low CPU, you can use this. It also allows file queuing, pausing, and all that stuff. And it also auto extracts archives and much more. So this is very lightweight, and if you are low on resources, I suggest you to just use this. Now if you are on Windows, Linux, Mac OS, this is available for all those operating systems. So you can just click on Windows, click here, download installer, and the installer will download, and then you can just run the installer and install this. Now this also has an extension for Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. So go here and you can just click on this get, and this will be installed in your browser. Again, I'll have this link for both the extension and the downloader in the link in the description below. You can just click on this and go ahead and download this. So yeah, to download this, once this is open, just click on download, and once this is done, you can just double click on the downloaded installer file and install this. Okay, now the second one is free download manager. So as the name suggests, this is completely free, and it has a lot of features like video downloading directly from websites. It can also allow you to download torrents and magnet links, and it is also available for Mac OS, Android, Linux, and Windows. So if you want to try this, just click on download and your installer will be downloaded. Again, this also has an extension for your browser, so go ahead and click on get, and this will be added to your browser. Now the best one, and the one that I'm currently using, is called Ninja Internet Download Manager. Okay, so this is it. It also has a pro version, but the free version is just as good. It allows you to pause and resume downloads just like any other download manager. And the good thing is it also allows you to add links, but you can download them later. So if you are in a rush, you can just add a lot of links to your download manager and you can download them later. It also allows you to download files sequentially, so you can preview the file before they are completely downloaded. And one of the other good features that I use is I schedule the downloads. So I can pause the downloads and I can schedule the downloads for later. And it has download queues just like any other download manager. It also has website logins, so that if some downloads require passwords, it can automatically do that for you. So yeah, these are the top 3 download managers besides Internet Download Manager. If you want an overall good manager that has a lot of features, go with Ninja Download Manager. If you want torrent support, you can go for free download manager. And if you want a lightweight download manager that has low resource consumption, you can just go ahead and download JDownloader. All of these 3 has extensions for browsers, so you can directly integrate them with your browser. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.